Well, good morning. All right, for another walk. I did say in the last video that I thought we'd missed autumn a bit. But as I was coming back from Watendler through Ashness Wood, I did see quite a lot of colour in the forest, so that's where I've come back to Ashness Wood. Hopefully we'll get some colour. So yeah, that's where we are. Parked at Surprise View, and we're just going to wander along the road for the first bit, and then the footpath goes off into the woods. So we'll see what we can see. It's been very wet the last few days, but there is a bit of a lull today. I suppose the best day weather-wise is tomorrow, but I've got to work tomorrow, so that's the plan for today. So yeah, I'll just remind everybody, if you're enjoying the video, please click the thumbs up. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe, and all comments are much appreciated. So yeah, anyway, we're gonna carry on, see what we can find. Yeah, there's still quite a few leaves in places, so anyway, we'll see you a bit later. Right, we've come across this, don't know whether you call it sapling, bush or whatever, that's still got quite a lot of leaves on. The sun keeps coming and going, and when the sun catches it, it looks quite impressive. So I'm just going to wander around, try and find the best angle to get a shot of it, catch its image, possibly going up the bank there and looking across. So yeah, we'll try and get a reasonable image of that, and we'll see you a bit later. Right, well, as you'll have just seen, I took some handheld shots of the tree. The ground where I was taken from was very uneven and whatever, so decided to take some handheld shots. So yeah, we're just going to carry on through. There is, as you can see here, I mean, there's quite a bit of brown bracken with the green moss, so hopefully it'll we'll get some nice shots. I mean, look at just over there, all the moss and that. It's just finding the compositions that do it justice. So anyway, we'll carry on and we'll see you a little bit later. Right, well, I haven't come much further, and I just spotted this little, I suppose it's a sapling growing out the roots of the tree there. If we were to look up, there's not much left of the top of the tree, so maybe this is a new one, but I just thought it was quite an interesting subject, with the very green leaves in basically just a sea of brown bracken. There's other little bits of green, so yeah, don't know whether you heard that noise, but that's a cyclist going shooting past. So we've captured the image, and if it's any good, we'll put it up on the video, and we're going to carry on through the woods looking for compositions. This is still much a very learning curve for me, woodland photography. So anyway, we'll see you a little bit later. Right, we've come along the river as you go to Wat Endleth, and we've come to the end of the wood, so I'm going to turn back and go in the Ladore direction. But it just came, there's this, well, I call it a bridge or a footway over quite a boggy bit of land, and I thought the crag there, I think it's Reecastle Crag. If I've got that wrong, I'll put the correct name up on the video. And with the different colours, it's a shame the light's gone a bit flat here, but I thought the colours were quite beautiful, so I've taken a shot there, and yeah, you've just got to go with what you can. There was a bit of rain, it stopped at the moment, but yeah, if we look at the back of the camera for the shot there, f11, 100 ISO and a 1/6 of a second. It's the first time I've actually got the tripod out. I'll have seen, I did take a couple of handheld shots looking down at the leaf patterns. If they're any good, you'll have already seen them. If not, you won't. So yeah, we've taken captured the image there. If it's any good, we'll put it up on the video, and we're going to head back along the river, back into the wood, and then head in the Ladore direction, see if we can see anything along there. So anyway, we'll see you a bit later. Right, we've finished our walk and we're back at Surprise View where I parked. So as you can see behind me is the lake. I have taken, captured an image of the lake. I don't think it's going to be brilliant because the lights and that's not the best, so it's a bit harsh, etc. But at the end of the video I'll put that up to finish off the video. So anyway, if you've watched the video to this point, thank you very much. As I mentioned at the beginning, if you've enjoyed it, please click the thumbs up, and if you like what I'm doing, why not subscribe, both of which do great for the channel. The other thing I always say is please comment. I do answer or comment on all comments, so please comment, and yeah, anyway, we'll see you on the next video.